Hi guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Today we are reviewing and going to talk about new facelifted Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Maruti is going to bring a new generation of Vitara Brezza soon to India, and this facelifted model gets a BS6 1.5 liter K series petrol engine which produces 104 bhp of power and 138 Nm of torque, and this is available in both manual and automatic transmission. Automatic comes with an torque converter gearbox 5 speed, and the curb weight of this vehicle happens to be 1130 kgs, and we get this stylish LED headlights with indicators and DRLs, and we do get a fog light which is halogen in VXI model. In top model we do get in LED, and the company claimed mileage happens to be 16 to 19 kilometers per liter, and tire size happens to be 206/60 R16 with silver color wheel cap. We get this rain visor, part of an accessory, and roof rails colored in black, looks good, and B pillar in matte black finish, and fuel tank capacity happens to be 48 liters, and we get this rear look, and we don't get a rear wiper but we do get a rear defogger, and here is Maruti logo finished in chrome, Vitara Brezza written on chrome, and we do get this stylish LED tail light with indicators and backlights, high mount stop lamp, and antenna, and we get this reflectors and diffuser type finish. And let me open the boot. The boot size happens to be 328 liters, and we do get a option of parcel tray, and we get this auto foldable and auto adjustable side view mirror with indicators. We also get this passenger side request sensors to unlock the door, and we get this side beading, part of an accessory. Maruti offers 9 variants in Brezza, and the build quality is also good compared to other Maruti cars. Maruti Vitara Brezza scores 4-star in Global NCAP, and Maruti also claims a 2-year and 40,000 kilometers warranty. It can be extended to 5 years and 80,000 kilometers. And in safety we get ABS with EBD, anti-lock braking system, and engine stop on button, and anti-lock braking system, central locking, power door locks, child safety lock, anti-thief alarm, 2 airbags, rear seat belts warning, door ajar warning, side impact beams, front impact beams, engine immobilizer, crash sensor, engine check warning, automatic headlamps. As we can see the engine bay, this is an mild hybrid front wheel drive system which offers an good efficiency, good fuel efficiency. And let me open the door. Request sensors here, and we get this all black interior. We get this power window buttons and lock buttons, window lock button, and we get this fabric upholstery on the door pad, and tweeters, and we get this speakers, and bottle holders and some amount of storage space. Like this we can see the dashboard, and we get an all black interior. This seat upholstery is an part of accessory, and seats can be adjustable by height also, and manually adjustable seats, pedals, and storage space. Steering wheel comes with an stitching, leather stitching, part of an accessory. Push button start, fog lamp on off button, rear view mirror controls, storage space, and headlight leveler, pedals, stereo, supports aux, USB and Bluetooth, and automatic AC control, USB aux port and 12V charging port, and some amount of storage space, 5-speed manual gearbox, and look of dashboard. And we get this steering mounted controls, which is used for stereo, volume up down button and mute button. We get this cool glove box in the dashboard, and also get a one more glove box which is non-coolable. And we get this door pads, storage space, 1 liter water bottle holder, AC vents, and hazard light button, steering wheel, and cup holder, stereo look, and rear view mirror, IRVM. We get this armrest here, which is adjustable, and we get some storage place inside that, which is reasonable, and cup holders, handbrake, storage place, and we get the key like this, 12-volt charging point, and aux and USB port. We get the key like this, lock and unlock button on the remote. We get this Maruti logo, and we get this Vetara Brezza stuff plates on the entrance, all black interior, and rear seats 60-40 split, and rear door. We get a good amount of knee room and leg room. Under thigh support is acute enough. We get this 2 headrest. Unfortunately, we don't get an armrest. Thank you for watching the video. If you got it useful, then please do like, share and subscribe, and do follow our